Namaskar and welcome to my channel. So before going to the main topic, you just please subscribe my channel, as because your subscription is very much necessary and mandatory for the growth of this channel. So today I am going to review Hawkins stainless steel 5 liters pressure cooker. As you know that Hawkins is the very much well known and popular brand in India, and this cooker has been bought 6 to 7 years ago, and it was rigorously used. So it's a very good and sturdy pressure cooker, as you know, and it's little bit pricely. It is a bit little costly. Price is a little bit costly as compared to the other well-known brand in India. So when I bought this pressure cooker, that was only Ewell brand, Ewell listed, that is American standard. You can see that Ewell marking is there. But nowadays Hawkins is also ISI marked. The quality is pretty good, you can see that, and the base is permanently attached. For that reason you can make deep fry in this pressure cooker. For other company pressure cookers, stainless steel pressure cooker, you cannot make deep fry, as because there is a chance of detachment of the base. But Hawkins Hawkins claims that the base is permanent, so you can make deep fry with this pressure cooker. So this is the advantage of Hawkins stainless steel pressure cooker, using Hawkins stainless steel pressure cooker. So this is very weighty pressure cooker. So I am just weighing the pressure cooker. So is the body weight is 1688 grams, that is nearly 1700 grams, and with lid and weight it is 2 kilo 114 grams. So it's very much weighty pressure cooker you know. So the price of this pressure cooker when I bought it, it was just 2000. Nowadays it is after discount 3200 or 3300, maybe like that. So it's a very good pressure cooker. It's a 5 liter pressure cooker, much voluminous pressure cooker for making some much more amount of biryani, curry, and chicken or mutton. So if you want, you can go for this pressure cooker. It's little bit costly, but it's a price worthy pressure cooker. You can go for that. So thank you all. So this is the end of this review. So please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video. So I will be coming with another issue. Thank you all. Bye bye.